Hi, welcome to my video about SSB. It is my third video. In this video, actually I am going to tell something about the previous videos as well as something about the interview. Till my previous video, I have covered screening and psychology test and GTO test. Covered means only I told you about the events in those tests. How to do the test, tips and guidance not given so far. That I will do subsequently. Here, today, I want to tell you something very important to the aspirants. This video basically to the youngsters, boys and the girls, those who are interested in joining in defense forces as an officers. It's not for the age group who are beyond 27 years. If the age group beyond 27 are watching this video about SSB, please kindly forward it to the aspirants, to the deserving candidates for their benefits. Fine. I'm not doing anything commercial. I want to emphasize about it. Neither I'm not a Anglo-Indian. I'm a pure Pakka Tamilian and Indian. English is not my language. English is a common language in India and the world also. That's why I'm using the English. Otherwise, Hindi and Tamil I can use any time. If you want to find faults in my language, you cannot understand what point I am conveying to you. The aspirants, please don't see my style, don't see my language. You please take the points, what are the points you want to crack the SSB interview to become a class 1 gazetted officer. Because I got certain comments about the videos. I'm not a professional. I do not have the camera of hi-fi. I'm using my mobile camera with my helper Prashant. So boys and girls, don't look what you do not want. That this is the time. If you concentrate everywhere on everything, you cannot settle down in any one. You cannot achieve your goal. So take this sincere suggestion, the advice, and follow. Whatever till yesterday I told you, those are the events in SSB interview. Now the personal interviews left over. Personal interview is nothing but it is about your personal. The senior most officer of the SSB center will interview you. Sometime below to the senior most, sometime third rank of the senior most. So, boys and girls, you be very, very perfect in your mannerism, in your the discipline. Of course, before going to the interview means SSB center. For SSB interview, you have to undergo some kind of guidance, some kind of coaching. Nobody can coach you what you are exactly to do in the center in connection with the SSB interview. But people can guide you, people can give you tips. That's why repeatedly I'm telling you, develop your personal qualities, develop your personalities. That also I will let you know in the subsequent videos. In interview, you know that first day or second day I told you, this interview, they don't allot a day particularly for the interview for the whole lot of candidate. In case you in your group means in your batch around 20 people, but there are two groups. So in the out of 20 people, they keep calling every day afternoon, that is after 2 o'clock. 4 boys, 2 boys, 8 boys, 10 boys, like that. They have to cover the complete batch, complete candidates, those who are in the SSB center as a whole. Right. That's why whenever your number comes, you have to follow the interview discipline, interview mannerism. It is nothing but they will ask you more than 90% about your personal only. What personal? There is a form when you enter the SSB center, the first day reporting, they get filled up a form by you, that is personal information form kind of thing. In that, there are so many questionnaires. You are replying, what is your name, what is your father name, what is your father occupation, like that. That's nothing but your personal information. What is your hobbies, where you belong to, what are your social activities. There are so many things there. Everything is pertaining to you only. The same thing is going to repeat in the personal interview. It looks very simple, right? Yeah, it looks very simple. But unless you have the practice or the guidance, it's very tough. And maybe some percentage they ask you the general knowledge, the current topic, the burning topics. Sometimes they ask you the suggestion about the unsolvable problems what going in the world. As an that aspirant to become an officer, you can tell your opinion, sir. This is what my opinion. This is what I do if I am in a authority. Okay, fine. Sometimes they ask you to organize sports and games and picnics. They ask you about your hobby. If you tell your hobby is reading, they will go into details. What kind of reading? If reading newspaper and all is not hobby. So, and later the sports and games, indoor game, outdoor game, like that there are games about. If you, every individual, those who are aspirant to become an officer in defense forces, they should possess the interest in games and sports, and they should have the hobby as a special category. Because everyone are not eligible to become an officer. Those who are eligible candidate, they should have special qualities. So they will ask you all about yourself and some burning topics. That's what I told you. And something about your place from where you are going to the center. Something about your family background. It is like that only they ask you. For that you have to prepare very well. That also I will let you know how to go about it. Okay. So as of now, this interview is only this much. And interview mannerism, interviewing techniques, this everything I will tell you in my subsequent videos. And I think I have to end this video up to this. The further whatever the information I want to give you, that is about the leadership qualities, officers like qualities, officer like qualities, leadership qualities, and how to build up your personality. Personality is not only your physical personality, it is your inner qualities, or altogether is called personalities. So, boys and girls, my dear aspirants, please listen what I am telling. Don't try to find out in my language why I am telling this. There are nowadays, the kids are very interested in finding faults. Don't do that. That's a bad quality. First of all, generally finding fault is a bad quality. Now I am volunteer to help you out. You find a fault in my talk or in my this thing, then it's up to you. Nothing you gain out of this. That's why you just concentrate on my point. My number today also I am repeating. Already I told you 9632377722. Call me anytime. Those who got the SSB call letter, call me. Those who are past graduation, technical graduation or any graduation, please call me. Any doubt I will clear you and I will tell you how to go about it. Okay, that's all today. I will meet you once again after some time. Till then, goodbye. Good. Jai Hind.